LobeChat versus ChatGPT, which AI chat tool wins. Choosing between LobeChat and ChatGPT as your primary AI chat tool is a decision that comes down to how you want to access AI and what level of control you want over that experience. ChatGPT is the world's leading proprietary AI chat platform built around OpenAI's own models, while LobeChat is an open-source AI chat application designed to give users a flexible and customizable interface that accessing multiple AI providers. This comparison breaks down how each tool performs so you can decide which one actually wins for your specific workflow. ChatGPT is OpenAI's flagship AI product and the most widely used AI chat platform in the world, offering a polished and continuously updated experience built around GPT-4 powered models. Its interface is clean and accessible, its feature set is comprehensive with image generation, web browsing, code interpretation, and custom GPTs, and its reliability as a maintained commercial product means users can depend on it without managing any infrastructure. The platform's ecosystem of integrations, community resources, and model improvements makes it one of the most complete AI tools available to everyday users. ChatGPT is best suited for users who want a powerful, polished, and feature-rich AI chat experience with no technical setup and immediate access to OpenAI's latest capabilities. LobeChat is a free and open-source AI chat application that allows users to connect to a wide range of AI model providers through their own API keys, giving them flexibility and control that proprietary platforms do not offer. It supports models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Mistral, and others within a single well-designed interface, allowing users to switch between models and compare responses without leaving the application. LobeChat can be self-hosted for users who want complete data ownership or used through its web version for a more accessible entry point. Its plugin system and customizable interface make it a strong choice for power users who want to tailor their AI chat environment precisely to their needs. LobeChat is best suited for technically inclined users, developers, and AI enthusiasts who want a flexible, multimodal, and highly customizable AI chat interface they can configure on their own terms. Feature comparison. LobeChat and ChatGPT win in different areas depending on what matters most to you. ChatGPT wins on polish, ease of use, ecosystem richness, and the quality of the underlying OpenAI models it provides access to. LobeChat wins on flexibility, multi-model access, customization, and the level of control it gives users over their AI chat environment. The tool that wins depends entirely on whether you prioritize a seamless, out-of-the-box experience or a highly flexible and self-directed one. Final thoughts. If winning means having the most polished, feature-complete, and effortlessly maintained AI chat experience powered by OpenAI's best models, ChatGPT is the clear choice for most everyday users. If winning means having the most flexible, customizable, and multi-model AI chat interface that you can configure and control entirely on your own terms, LobeChat is an impressive open-source tool that deserves serious consideration. The tool that wins for you is the one that matches how seriously you want to engage with configuring and customizing your AI experience.